The geopolitical landscape is intensifying as a U.S. naval force heads to Iran, escalating pressure on the regime amidst ongoing tensions. This move underscores the strategic maneuvers in the region, as the U.S. seeks to assert its influence and counter perceived threats. The deployment is part of a broader strategy to maintain stability and deter aggression in key areas of interest. Meanwhile, in the Pacific, the U.S. conducted a lethal boat strike, marking the first such action since the Maduro raid. This operation resulted in 2 fatalities and highlights the U.S. military's readiness to engage in decisive actions when necessary. Such operations are critical in maintaining a balance of power and ensuring maritime security in volatile regions. The Pentagon's new national defense strategy has shifted focus to homeland defense, moving away from a previous emphasis on China. This strategic pivot reflects changing priorities as the U.S. adapts to emerging threats and reallocates resources to strengthen domestic security. The shift may influence defense contractors and military suppliers as they align with new government priorities. In Asia, Taiwan is grappling with the challenge of funding its $39.5 billion defense budget, which includes a significant arms purchase from the U.S. This financial strain highlights the complexities faced by nations seeking to bolster their defense capabilities amid regional tensions. The arms deal is crucial for Taiwan's security strategy, yet it also places a heavy burden on its fiscal resources. In the realm of technology, Leidos is collaborating with OpenAI to integrate AI solutions into government workflows. This partnership aims to enhance efficiency and innovation across defense and other sectors, demonstrating the growing importance of artificial intelligence in modern military operations. The integration of AI is expected to revolutionize how data is processed and decisions are made in critical scenarios. Turning to the markets, let's examine how these developments are influencing specific companies. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, has secured a $988 million contract to modernize the U.S. Navy's C-5 ISR systems. This contract underscores the company's pivotal role in defense technology and highlights ongoing investments in military infrastructure. Despite a slight decline of 0.70% in its share price to $363.27, the contract is expected to bolster long-term growth prospects. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 1.40% drop in its stock price to $307.75 following a revised military contract. The uncertainty surrounding the contract has impacted investor sentiment, reflecting the challenges companies face when navigating complex defense agreements. This revision could affect AeroVironment's revenue projections and strategic planning. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, saw a modest decline of 0.52% to $590.82 as the U.S. Army tested its NGC-2 data layer prototype. This test is a significant step in advancing AI capabilities for military applications, potentially enhancing Lockheed's position in the defense sector. The successful integration of AI could lead to future contract opportunities and technological advancements. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, rose by 2.23% to $169.60, buoyed by the broader context of increased defense spending. Although there were no direct catalysts, the company's strong uptrend reflects investor confidence in its ability to capitalize on government contracts and data analytics solutions. Palantir's role in defense intelligence positions it well for future growth. Leidos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, faced a 3.04% decline to $110.39, influenced by the macro defense spending context. The company's downtrend highlights the volatility in defense stocks as investors assess the impact of shifting government priorities. Leidos' focus on unmanned systems and satellite communications remains a key area of interest. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor General Dynamics for growth post-$988 million Navy contract. 2. Watch AeroVironment stock for recovery post-contract revision. 3. Follow Lockheed Martin's AI advancements for future contracts.